Hi guys, Seeking Paranormal Activity back with you tonight. Oh my god. Guys, I just wanted y'all to see the clouds up here. The clouds, it's raining tonight, guys. Dang. And I wanted to show y'all, y'all see the sky. You'll see what it looks like. Hold on, I got an umbrella right here on the porch. I just want you guys to see the clouds tonight. I didn't even know it was raining. Y'all see that? How the sky's green looking? Yeah, it's raining. I don't want to get my camera red, but guess what our sky's looking like tonight, guys? And see it? That's the top of the umbrella. But y'all see that sky? And it just started right, well, I don't know, because I've been in the house. I was fixing to lie to y'all guys. I'm sorry. But y'all see that sky? It's green. And I don't know, but it's all just seem like, see it? That's our sky right here. Sky is green, guys. Y'all see that, right? I'm out here tonight trying to make you guys a video. And I just came outside. I didn't know it was raining, but I seen the sky and it looked green. See it? That's the whole sky. Here's my umbrella. But this is the sky right here. Y'all see that, right? Guys, I'm sorry I haven't made no video lately. I've been so busy. So much has happened. So life just happening. I'm going to try to make me a video. This is my first video. So I'm going to try to make a video every single day. So I have an upload for you guys. I don't want you to think that I've forgotten you or that I gave up on my channel, because I have not. I love this channel. I love talking to people. And I was thinking about making me another channel talking about things. Y'all see that sky? It just looks weird. It's raining a little bit. Oh, there it is. You can see it good right there. Look. And there's nothing in the skies tonight. There is nothing in the sky tonight. Nothing. And okay, it's dark right there. Really dark. But it's green over here. I don't know what kind of skies we have in the night, but dark. And if I turn this way, I'll see, as I turn the cameras, like a line there, dark and green. Dark. Green. I don't know who's in control of our world. I didn't mean control it, but what I mean is, I don't know what's happening. That's my little kid in church. Oh, you can't see her. There she is. Her name is... What? You better shut up. And I'm on camera. God, you scared me half to death. He come to the door and hollered and wanted to know where I was at. Scared me half to death. Alright, guys. I'll be back on in a little while. Good night. Hi, guys. Seeking Paranormal Activity. Guys, my flower right there. I'll show it to you. I was coming out the door, and my flower had turned over. It fell on the porch, right? And as I was coming out, I heard a thud, and I looked, and there is a bird that dropped out the sky. Just dropped out the sky. I mean, it was weird. It started twitching. I'm just go out there and look at it. Huh? It's so cold today, guys. We've been having some freaky weather. And I don't want to touch this bird, but because they say that there's such thing as bird flu, but oh my God, y'all see him? Oh my God. His eyes is closed, guys. Y'all see that? He just fell out the sky, and it kind of freaked me out because I'm in the house on YouTube watching about birds diving out the sky, birds dying, and then I come out in the house and I say, what the F? I filmed y'all the sky last night and what color it was. Yes, you could call me a conspiracy theorist. That would be me, but I don't know, guys. I just never had nothing that freaky. I mean, but what makes it even weirder, I was just watching a video about it. And then I come on the porch because it's windy today to get my, fix my flower. All of a sudden I hear plop, and the bird, and it's kicking around, so I don't think it was dead before it hit the ground. So, I don't know. I don't know what's happening these days. And this is May, what, the 26th. It's almost June the 1st. And me and my friends were talking the other day. Is like, I've never known it to be cold in May. Never. I mean, I never known it to be chilly. I don't know if I just, well, I pay attention to weather. And it's cold out here. Enough that you might want to turn on the heat because I've been a little sick too. So, and a friend of mine that works at the hospital said there's a real bad stomach virus going around. There's people dropping dead, people getting sick. So, you guys just be safe and be careful and watch out for the birds. Seeking Paranormal Activity. Signing off. Bye, guys.